Okay. Hear him in there?
Oh, let me see if I can see. Hold on. I want to see.
I don't think you can see much.
Oh yeah, I can't really see anything.
Okay, so we caught a rat in the computer, and we're gonna go turn him loose over here in the field.
We're just taking a computer out into a grassy area for no reason. Don't mind us. You don't want to put it further out there?
Nah, he'll probably run.
Do you see him?
Just shine the camera right in there. You can see his face right in the in the hard drive area. Oh, the floppy drive area.
I think I see him.
Keep it shining on there. I'm gonna try to tilt it.
Oh, I see him. Look at that big tail.
He didn't want to come out of there.
He likes it in there.
Come on, let's go. Try to turn you loose. There he goes.
Don't come towards me. And he's gone. Just like that. I didn't even see where he went.
Probably came in through the cat door.
That's great.